Hey everyone, it's really nice to see you here and to welcome you here. My name is Miriam van Rijssen. I'm Professor Fair Data Science and I lead together with Dr. Sakinat Foloronzo this Fair Data Stewardship training. It is based on a curriculum that we have published this year. This session is to give you general instructions and is intended for the participants to the Fair Data Stewardship training and those that are assisting them to orientate yourself on the purpose of this training. This is the second video of the first session. Prior to this video, you should see the opening video that gives you the purpose of this training. So here we have set out the sessions. There are 14 sessions. We start on the 23rd of May and we end on the 22nd of August, when we will give you the certificates, and at that time we will close this training. So we start on the 23rd of May with general principles and ethics of fair data science. And then we start to have a closer look at what does it mean to create fair data. And we do that by looking at how we create data models that allow us to make data findable, but also store them within our own environment and under the control of our own organization. We call that within residence. Then we look at how we can structure the capture of the data and what instruments are available for that. We then go and look about the creation of ontologies that relate to terminology, which is very specific and for which there is no available ontology on the internet, and where we can create our own. Then we start looking at the transformation of the data so that we can actually store it within a triple store that allows us to analyze the data. And part of this is that we also should look at how we can visualize the data in data dashboards for the easier use of people who have to work with the data. Then we apply that in a particular context of patient data for antenatal care. And then in the last session, we are going to look at how we can deploy fair data points and link the data across different residencies of data. So how between data collected in different hospitals or in different organizations, we can analyze the data by data visiting. And then in the one but last session, we will present what all the teams have achieved and what they have been able to set up. And then in the very last session, we will celebrate the closure of the session with the offering of the certificates. Now, as much as we have been preparing this training course, we should also understand what is expected from you, the participants. So, first of all, each of the participants needs to be assigned to a team as per the previous video that was presented by Joelle. Then all of the participants must have a signed agreement, and the agreement identifies what you are expected to do and also what you cannot do. So the rules of this course. Then you should attend the 1-hour Friday sessions, which will take place in East Africa time from 2 to 3 o'clock. Please make sure to really book that time, reserve that time so that you are present. Then, of course, you need to seriously read through the material, watch the videos, and really try to understand the content. The importance of this course is also that we really allow you to practice with the procedures in each of the teams so that you also develop the skills that makes you senior data steward, so that you really not only understand the theory, but you understand what to do. So then every week the participants will meet in the teams, and in the teams the tasks of the assignments can be divided. And it's really important that you collaborate in the teams as part of the assignments. In that way, you can also develop a certain specialization, or you can create some more volume, because in the assignments, different people participate. Make sure that within the teams, the responsibilities are clear, and that you build strength by looking at, the expertise that you already bring. If you cannot attend the session, then you need to apologize, and you need to notify your team leader and also your country coordinator. Really don't forget that. It is important, because attendance is mandatory. Ensure that you have clear arrangements on meetings in the team, so that the assignments can be ready and that we can give the necessary feedback. Collect questions and ask questions to the teachers. Don't hesitate. Discuss what questions you have, discuss them in your team, discuss them with your team leader, your country coordinator. Come to the technical team, come to me. If there's any question that you have, any guidance that you need, then don't wait until the next session, but ask immediately. Create a space for documentation in your team. Document well the steps that you have taken within the team and within each task, and also make it clear where you document together as a team, and be clear where you as a person document each of the steps within each of the tasks. Then the assessment and the certification is done